Hey guys, welcome to section 4 named Revisiting Events. In this particular section, we are going to revisit our understanding of events, and we'll also specially talk about scroll events and see an example of scroll event. And finally, we will also see how we will be tweaking our Reddit application in this particular section to fetch data when the user scrolls in our application. So what is events? So we already talked about event is the only way in which a user will interact with our app. Right? For example, click is an event, mouse move up or move down is an event, key up in the sense like when a user presses a key is an event. Everything, the interaction between the person and the web application is nothing but an event. And definitely, even though event is triggered, we need to have event listeners in order to receive those events and do a particular action with respect to our application domain logic, right? And we have talked about events in volume 1, but still I just want to revisit these two important concepts. And scroll is also one such event, but scroll event is a little bit different. So let's see what exactly scroll events are. Well, you can treat scroll events as a normal event. However, scroll events will give you a lot of information to your listeners, in the sense the data that scroll event will be sending to your listeners will be in a stream. Let's go and see a very simple example. Okay, so let me go and open up Reddit JSON file. Okay, so Reddit JavaScript. Now when the user scrolls, all right, so there is a bunch of events, in the sense it's completely different from the other events like click. For example, when you click on this particular link, there is only one information of that click event is passed on to your listener. However, when the user scrolls up and down, the move up or move down event is keep on pushed onto your event listeners. All right, so I would say please consider scroll up or scroll down as stream of events that would be coming to the event listeners. Okay, and what we will do in this particular section is we have our Reddit app over here. So it's simple now. It's just that we have all the blog title mentioned over here, but interestingly we are just showing only, I guess, around 20 data only. But I want to make sure that when user scrolls down, right, I just want to pick all other JavaScript blocks from the Reddit API and append onto our UI. So that's the exact idea of this particular section, and we'll be talking and we'll really code how to achieve the same. Okay,